beans, greens, potatoes, tomatoes, lamb, ram, raw, dog, beans, greens, potatoes, tomatoes.
Good morning. It's Monday, 11/11. I woke up in a funky mood, so I don't know how good this day is gonna be today. Oh no, I won't say I woke up in a funky mood. I just got interrupted by things that just could have been taken care of without waking me up. So I'm gonna try to get myself in a good mood. Got my candle going, got my prayer journal, maybe even meditate for a little bit, and then get this day started. It's really just gonna be a cleaning day. I do gotta run some errands. Um, Other than that, I'm just gonna be cleaning for the day and kind of get the funky energy out that I'm feeling, and get ready for the week ahead. So let me get out of this mood so that this video will be a good one and not a funky one.
Jimmy on the track, so you know it's lit.
Fly, bubble boy. Fly, bubble boy. Fly, bubble boy.
Y'all did not have no phone in kindergarten if he says 6 years.
I literally just spent 30 minutes editing a video and it died right when I went to save it. It's okay. I'll just do it all again. Fun times, fun times. But first, I'm going to eat some dinner.
That I'm my friends that have a twin.
Do they even believe you?
Yeah, just say.
How do they believe you?
Watch. Don't try not to get in the camera.
You're so goofy. So it's about almost 7 o'clock here, and this time change, where it gets darker earlier, is killing me. It's got me all thrown off. I cooked super early. I think we had dinner at 5 o'clock, and I got me some little drink in my little Joe's Crab Shack cup, but I don't know. Today's been just a very interesting day. I've been doing a lot of thinking and retrospecting, if that's even the right word. And I'm ready to reinvent myself. I'm ready to be the woman I feel I am on the inside. I'm just ready to be authentically me, and me vlogging every day. Maybe that's what helped me see it, but I'm just really ready for that right now, and I'm struggling with some decisions, but I know they'll come to me when the time is right. But I have been working on some things, and I can't wait to see what's happening and show you what's got going on. I mean, you'll see it this week because I'll be working on it this week. So I've just been really in a different headspace today. Like, I woke up in a bad mood. I went for a little walk, talked to my guy, cleaned up, lit some candles, did some meditation, listened to some music, some music I haven't listened to. Even forgot that I love so much, that like the Kaleidoscope Dreams album, best album of all times. Like, there's not one bad song on there. Like, you could play the whole thing all the way through. That's the only album I've heard like that in a while that I can think of right now. So I was listening to that, watching my tarot things. Like, I'm into all of that. I'm into tarot. I'm into full moon rituals, candles. I'm into all that. It kind of, in its own way, centers me. But I'm really ready to be authentically me. And I know I say this like 50,000 times, but my channel's never going to have a set theme. Like, when they tell you when you start a YouTube channel, oh, find your niche. My life is my niche. That, to me, this is really like, my banner says self-love journey, and that's exactly what it is. So everything that on my channel is me. I'm not going to have a niche and have only certain types of videos. I'm gonna do what I feel, and this just is kind of confirming that for me. I'm really tired, so I'm rambling. So I'm going to finish watching a couple of YouTube videos and get my son ready for bed, and then I'll edit these videos to get them up by 10 o'clock, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good night.
She the girl, she the girl.